I look crazy right now. I can see myself. I look crazy. Hey everyone, what's up? It's your girl Ashley, and today we are doing this gorgeous bold fuchsia pink cut crease eyeshadow look. I am so excited to show you guys this look. Like I said in my last video where I did the yellow eye makeup, I want to do a lot more colored eyeshadow looks. So here we are today doing a pink look. Hope you guys like my backdrop. Yes, I know it is a little wrinkly. Actually, it was a last minute decision, but it was all folded, so it's all creasy, but you know what? I did list all the products below, not just the eyeshadow, but everything else on my face, so if you want to know about that, just find it below. Before you watch the video, please make sure to click that subscribe button down below. It is that big red button. Anyways, enough talking, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing we'll be using is a Wet n Wild Photo Focus eyeshadow primer. You guys know this is my absolute favorite. Wet n Wild, can you please send me a PR package? I would be in love. So I just have a little bit for my first eye, and we're just going to put that on both eyes. Okay, so after the eyeshadow primer, we're just going to let that sit a little bit and get a little tacky while I choose a color to start off with. So you can just take any pale pink eyeshadow color and put that all over your eyelid as your base. I'm going to be using the base shade in the Rust Kat Von D palette. So I'm just going to take that shade and apply it all over my eyelid. So after you have the base shade, we're going to apply a really pink color. I'm not lying when I say pink. This color is pretty much, yeah, look at that. It's very pink. This is Colourpop in Poodle, and we're just going to apply this all over our crease. How pretty is this color? So this looks a little crazy right now. I didn't actually want it to go that far out. When we put on the brow bone highlight, that will blend out, trust me. We're going to be taking Love Letter from the Modern Renaissance palette. That's this very bold pink color right here. Look at that. It matches my backdrop. So we're just going to take that color, Love Letter, and apply it to the outer corner and the crease. The key to bold colors is blending. If you do not blend your colors, it is so noticeable. So now we're just going to take a clean brush and apply the brow bone highlight. We're just going to blend out around here and kind of shape that eyeshadow. I know that this isn't the conventional way of doing it, I think, but this is how I like to do it. So we're just going to take Tempera, this like cream color right here. You can use any satin finish cream color, and we're just going to shape out the brow bone highlight. As you can see, it's cleaning up the shape of the eyeshadow. Since I am a noob at this, I love this trick. Maybe one day I'll take a makeup artistry course, but I looked them up and it's like $2,000. So for now, it's just going to be what I learn myself or on YouTube. So just blend out that line between the brow bone and the crease. As you can see, the shape of the eyeshadow is already so much better just by cleaning it up with that brow bone shade. So now we're going to take some concealer. This is the Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer. And we're just going to take a flat brush. And we're going to do a cut crease. So just take a very little bit because you don't want to put too much. It might ruin it. And we're just going to shape with the eyelid. Okay, so we're just going to let the concealer dry a little bit before we continue on. I look crazy right now. I can see myself. I look crazy. Okay, so now we're going to go back to the Modern Renaissance palette, and we're going to use the shade Vermeer. And we're just going to put this on top of the cut crease. So I'm using a flat brush so that we can pack on the shimmer. Okay, so I did put a little bit of the Love Letter color along the line of the cut crease. I know it's a cut crease, but I kind of wanted to blur the line a little bit. Now we're going to take some Love Letter, again, that hot pink shade in the Modern Renaissance palette, and then we're just going to blend out the outer corner of the cut crease. I just blended it in to about halfway. I don't want it to go too far in because it just doesn't look as good. The trick about this part is to be very gentle and just blend really softly. Okay, so as you can see, this look is coming together. I'm going to be using Wild Dots from Colourpop. This is a Super Shock shadow. I'll show you what it looks like. This is my hand. Like, look at that. It's crazy. So I'm just going to take that and put it where that line kind of blends out between the light and the dark. So I decided to use a brush to apply it instead because I'm just getting a little bit more precision with that, obviously. Actually, I'm just using a combination of my finger and the brush because, yeah. The brush is applying it where I want it to go, but it's not applying it as pigmented as I like. And then we're just going to blend that in with the outside color. Okay, so now we're going to take some of that Love Letter color again, and we're going to line underneath our eyes, but just a little bit. We're not going to spread it out too far down, so be very careful. Take a pencil brush and only get some eyeshadow on the very tip of it. So we're just going to apply that underneath the eyes, just along the lash line. We don't want it to go too far down or else you might look like you just got punched in the face. You can see that it is very small, the amount that I applied. It's literally just on my lash line. Now we are officially done with the eyeshadow. Actually, wait 1 second. We're going to take some Fenty Beauty Hustle Baby highlighter, and that's what we're going to highlight the brow bone with. We're just going to put this here on the outer end below the arch. Sophie! Hi, Sophie! Okay, so now that the eyeshadow is done, we're just going to be applying some liquid eyeliner, obviously my favorite part of every video. So make sure your eyeliner is coming to a very sharp point. If it doesn't come to a sharp point, don't even bother doing it because it's just going to ruin the look. Okay, so now that we have on our black winged eyeliner, I'm going to put on a little bit of white eyeliner at the bottom. This is brand new. I've never used this before, but I did notice that a lot of beauty gurus on YouTube, when they put on a bold look, they will put on white eyeliner on their lash line, so I think this opens up the eye more. So I'm just going to put on some lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, so I put on my fake lashes, mascara, and I usually don't put mascara on my lower lashes, but I did this time because after putting on the white eyeliner, some of the white got into the lashes and it looked really weird. So to complete the look, I'm just going to put on some Creasy TEIGAN by Becca Beach Bum lip gloss. This is just a natural color. I do want my lips to be a little glossier than this because I just feel like I just need that. I'm going to be using the Too Faced Melted Latex lip gloss. I actually got this from Winners for only $6. It was like $5.99. So I'm just going to put that over it. I hate to put color onto my lip gloss, but whatever, it's going to be inevitable. Probably the most glossiest shine I've ever seen. Look at that gloss. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you recreate it, and if you do, please tag me in your photos or videos, or if you do a story wearing it, tag me. I want to see it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. I will see you in my next video. Bye!